Hi, my name's Jerry Gallegos, and today I'm going to be talking about the concept of fake news and the problem that it poses in our society today. And being someone who is in their 20s and being active on social media through my Facebook platform, my Twitter platform, uh, and even my Instagram platform, there are many advertisements slash links that pop up where they lead you into these websites that have basically news that is considered, or what we call, fake news. And this is basically news that is written and published with the intent to mislead in order to damage either a person, an agency, or a group of people. But basically, the information that's presented is not true. Um, for example, with the past election with Trump, there were many websites that were all over social media that were false, that were giving false information, that were not true. So that's basically the concept of what fake news actually is. And a lot of these bloggers and people that put these links up are actually making money off of it. So it is a pretty big problem that's going on with social media as it's advancing. But one of the main links that I recognize a lot that's on my Facebook and my Twitter feed is the World News Daily Report. And this website specifically is run by Janet Murray Hall. And basically, the website assumes responsibility for everything that they post. However, a lot of the stuff that they post is not true, whether it's posing that celebrity is a celebrity death or something that has happened around the world. Basically, it's something that is false just so that they can get more readers, which is a big problem. So I see that a lot. And I guess where that lines up with my morals and ethics is that being a Christian, I know that the Bible and Christ talk about all the time about not being deceitful or being false, but being truthful in everything that we do. And so the verse that I found was 1 Peter 2:1, which says, "So put away all malice and all deceit and hypocrisy and envy and all slander." And even though it's a small verse, I think it speaks volumes to this concept of trying to deceive the public. And so for journalists and for everyone, that even though that they're trying to get readers and make money and whatnot, I still think that in the propaganda world especially, that verse sticks very true um, to what is going on. And so fake news does need to be stopped, but at the same time, I think it needs to fall back on the principles of the Bible and talking about how that people need to be real and should not be trying to deceive the public.